Hi friends, it's me Kiki. Today we're drawing 3 happy sunflowers in a little glass jar. Grab your paper and a pencil and let's draw. First, the biggest flower. Right in the middle of your paper, draw one big circle. Go slowly all the way around and try to keep it nice and round. This circle is the middle of our very first sunflower. Now 2 more circles, one on each side. Draw them a little bit lower than the first one, like 3 friends standing together. One over here and one over here. Now we have 3 flower middles. Your turn. Draw your 3 circles, one big one in the middle and one on each side. Take your time. You can even ask a grown-up to pause the video. I'll wait for you. Now the best part, the petals. Around every circle, draw long rounded petals going all the way around like the rays of a sun. Make them a little bit pointy at the end. Keep going round and round until every circle has a whole ring of petals. Look, our sunflowers are smiling already. Your turn. Draw the petals all the way around each circle. Take your time. And remember, your drawing doesn't have to look just like mine. Now the stems and a jar to hold them. From each flower, draw 2 long lines coming down like tall green ribbons. Then draw a tall glass jar with soft round corners and let the stems go all the way down inside it. Add a line across the middle for the water and one small curvy line on the side so the glass looks shiny. Time for some leaves. On both sides, draw big pointy leaves shaped like little boats. Then draw one line down the middle of each leaf and a few tiny lines going out like tiny branches. Look at that! Our sunflowers are nearly finished and they look so happy. If you're having fun drawing with us, ask a grown-up to press subscribe. Now let's wrap a pretty string around the neck of the jar. Go around 2 times and then tie a bow at the front with 2 loops and 2 ends hanging down. So pretty! Now inside every flower middle, draw lots of little dots. Those are the sunflower seeds. Dot, 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 fill them all up. And now, our favorite part. Right here on the string, hide a tiny heart. Every single Kiki drawing has one. Shh! It's our little secret. Your turn. Add all the little seeds and your tiny heart. Take your time. I'll wait right here for you. Coloring time. Let's color all the petals a sunny yellow. Stay inside the lines and take it slow. There are lots and lots of petals. Now the middles, color them a warm brown right over all the little seeds. Doesn't that look just like a real sunflower? Next, the stems and the leaves. Color them a soft green, nice and fresh. Last, the jar, color the glass a light blue and the water a little bit darker, then color the string and the bow pink. And your tiny heart, color that pink too. Wow, look at that! Your sunflowers look so bright and happy. You did such a good job today. If you had fun drawing with me, ask a grown-up to find our coloring books at Kiki Coloring Studio. The link is right below the video. Or send us an email and we'll send you some sample pages. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.